Welcome to the first unboxing video by UnoKits.io. We've been big fans of Azure Sphere since Microsoft announced it back in April. On Friday, we received our Azure Sphere development kit from Seed, and we're going to open it right here. In the package is an information card, the device itself, and a USB cable. There is no power brick. I had expected the device to be about the size of an ESP8266 or ESP32 development board. I'm setting a Raspberry Pi next to it. I was surprised to find it nearly the same size. Here are some more size comparisons for you. It has a micro USB port, a tiny barrel power supply, and a battery connector for the real-time clock. It does not have the standard 40-pin GPIO headers that we're so used to, nor does it have an HDMI port, Ethernet, camera connectors, or a micro SD slot. Here are some more detailed comparisons. Please note, the device requires Windows 10 and the full version of Visual Studio for development. I've already made a request that Microsoft support development under VS Code, which would allow for cross-platform development. More on that in our next video. One more time, showing the package contents. I will be following this video with another one showing the development environment and running every IoT's favorite intro program, WIki. And we're done. Please remember to like and subscribe. Check back for more videos soon.